5 income producing ideas that you can use to make your $20,000 a month recurring income. So let's break this down. We have an amazing opportunity in this era that we can make money just by putting ourselves out there, to even putting products and services on the forefront that we really want to promote and showcase. So I'm going to give you some ideas that you can instantly start building up right now, and in about 90 days you're going to start seeing the returns on this. All right, so here we go. The first one, if you have the money, you can definitely do this one like as quickly as you can. You just have to find the deals. And this is real estate investing. Now, I have done this exact thing to actually have a recurring income month after month. So this is based on my numbers, and it could actually like grow as you build out your portfolio if you have different numbers than I do. But based on my numbers, this is the average on what I did when we first started. And when I say we first, it was me and my partner at the time when we first started scaling our real estate portfolio. So we had 100 units average. It was basically like 90 when we started seeing these numbers, and each one of the units, and when I call units, you could also call doors. It doesn't matter what it is. It could be an apartment complex, it could be a house, it could be whatever you can rent out for this return. Okay, so the return on each unit or each door was an average of about $200. And it might seem that that's really low, but on all the overhead costs, on the employees, on just doing the basic like paperwork with lawyers and all the overhead, everything taken out, our take home was about $200 to $250 a unit. And you've got to remember there is also turnaround on that. That is also return deposits and all that other good stuff. So that's about $20,000 return on about 90 to 100 units, of course, depending on the rent and stuff like that across the board. And the average rent for those was anywhere from $800 to $1,400, to give you a range on what you should be looking for. All right, so I would say if you could stick to 1,200, definitely make sure that you stick into the 1,200 range, because that's going to just keep it easy to maximize your return across the board. All right, if you can keep it easier on the exact type of units you have, then it's going to it'll be easy to duplicate when you grow as well. If it's all like a townhouses, and stick to all townhouses if you can. If it's all apartment complex, stick to that, because again, it'll get easier as you do more of those as you grow. All right, next thing is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing can be literally anything from clickbait to Target has an affiliate marketing system, to Walmart has one, to even Amazon has one. So Amazon actually has a really nice one that I actually use and really enjoy. And in that program, you've got basically two ways that you can make money off of it. You can make money off of it by being an influencer, or you can make money off of it to being an actual affiliate. All right, so this is the difference. You can do it the way that I do it, and that is being an influencer, where you sign up for the program. You have to have some kind of social following to actually be approved for this. And I highly recommend you use like your Instagram or TikTok for this, or even your YouTube channel if you have one. So you are going to have some kind of presence online to actually become an Amazon influencer. But when you are an Amazon influencer, you can go live and instantly start making money by doing lives about products that you already own. It's going to be the most easiest. But you can also talk about products that you've probably just ordered, or that like a friend or family member just bought, and do a review just by sharing your take on those and showing like a picture off to the side when you're doing your lives. That is essentially how you can start to literally making money through that program. Now that money you won't see until about 90 days. That's why I said that you'll start to see the return on a lot of this in 90 days. Like if you start buying properties like in the first 30 days as you watch this video, you're going to start seeing the returns as soon as 90 days. And that's just the average. All right. So on that, you can do reviews on every single product that you own that is sold on Amazon, and you make a commission anywhere between 1% and 4% is the average, but there is some things that do pay 10%. Usually 1 and 4 is fine, depending on, of course, what exactly you'll be reviewing. I do recommend that you stick in mid-range price tags. That's going to be the most things that people actually gravitate to, as well as look for products that also have a lot of sales already around it, and do those reviews first, because that's where you're going to start seeing the most return. All right, so the next thing is, and then with the range of that, you can make anywhere from a couple $100s a day to a couple $1,000s a day on each and every live that you do, each and every product review you do, because you're going to share that across your social media platforms that you've already built up already, that have the audience that got you approved for the program. So essentially, you can grow that out as big as you possibly can, just by growing your brand in those other avenues, as well as making more review videos and doing more lives on Amazon. So that is how you're going to easily get to $20,000 a month recurring. All right. And a lot of that is not a lot of work. I know that I said lives, but as you do the lives, you're going to take those videos and you are going to segment them, and you're going to use them in your social media, which is going to drive more traffic to your page, and you can reuse those over and over again. And you can even have a team reuse them over and over again. All right, so the next one that I want to focus on is YouTube. This is anywhere from theme sites to your personality sites. And this could be varied across the board, but I really want you to stick in a niche that's high paying. You got to remember that a lot of YouTube income comes from ads. You don't get any other income from that unless you're going to have your own product or service that you're going to be pushing on all your videos. So you want to essentially make money in 30 days, and you want something that's going to be tried and true. You can always push the traffic to your Amazon affiliate link or your page where you're going to be doing the lives. But essentially, you're going to be using your YouTube as a channel. So you're going to think of your target person or people that you're going to make anywhere from entertaining videos to educational videos, and you're going to focus around these niches, because these niches are going to pay the most, and that's anywhere from business, finance, law, also real estate investing, loans, credit. Anything to do with money is going to be the highest paying CPM, cost per million, and that is how many views your page is getting. That's how many ads they can show these viewers. So you're going to stick to the higher paying ones. Again, if you are trying to get to the $20,000 a month mark, you're going to stick with something that already has the money in it, so that people are already paying those higher prices in. And there's a lot of tools out there that you can do research on this. So definitely look more into that by looking up these other tools, and I'll put some on the bottom here. All right. So here we go. The next one is going to be Instagram theme sites. Now you can do essentially Instagram theme sites on any platform, including YouTube. Now that they have shorts, you can even do this as reels. But theme sites are essentially content sites. They're kind of like a digital magazine. So think of those sites that you see on Instagram that have to do about millionaire lifestyles, that have to do with learning about loans or credits. Those are theme sites. They're not based on a persona or person. You don't actually have to be on the camera. You don't have to have a brand already. You can just usually just pick whatever you're interested in and make a site around it. But again, if you are looking to make that $20,000 a month, especially recurring income, you want to stick around a theme that has money in it. And from there, you're going to grow out your audience by posting consistently and telling people about it. And from there, you are going to essentially get people reach out to you and do shout outs. So shout outs is essentially where people will pay you to list them on one of your posts or your stories, and you're going to have different price points to this. For example, you could do $200 a post or $200 a story shout out for one day, or even a few hours, depending on how much traffic you get. And from there, people will go to that person and go ahead and buy their service and products and everything. And also they get recognized in that brand. So you are providing marketing for that brand. And from there, you are also getting money for them to advertise on your theme page, which again, if you do 100 people, that could be 200 people. And then if you are really good at consistently having results for these people, you can also have them on a recurring month to month or week to week basis where they pay you anywhere from a few $1,000s to a few $100,000 to continually post about you and recommend you to their audience. So you can definitely build that up. And you can have multiple theme sites, which is nice. So again, this is an easy way that you can build up theme sites with a team and grow this out. And you then eventually, as you grow, you can also drive traffic to the page through boost or through ads. All right. The last one I wanted to go over is teaching a course. Now, everybody online that I possibly can think of, I think has taken some type of learning course or some kind of class online. Like, I don't know too many people that has never like taken any type of teaching online. Even now my kids are like, they do all of their stuff online. They've been doing all their stuff online for like the last 5 years. So everything's online now. So to make money through teaching somebody what you know is definitely something you can maximize and make up to 20,000 or more in the next 90 days. Now, of course, you're going to have to know it. Now, you don't have to know it super well. You just got to know it better than the next person. So even if it's something you're learning and you would like to teach people it as you learn, you can build a course around it. You can have a group get together around it. But again, we're talking about recurring income. We're talking about maximizing to get you to that $20,000 points every single month. So the best way to do this would actually be to just stick to one type of person that can afford your course, of course, in the about $2,000 range. So you're looking at high ticket, $2,000 range. Who is your person that you're trying to market this to? And essentially, you're going to build the course for that person, that persona. For example, I have a course that's all about business. It's called the Growth Mastery course, and that is a high ticket course. That actually is about $4,995 or $5,000. And for that, the people that have that course currently are people going through transition in life. They already had a career in some kind of other industry, and they're looking to pivot and put everything online because circumstances changed. They actually had a divorce, or they have family that they take care of. So for them, having something stable that comes that they can build on the side and they can generate money on the side, it makes them feel more secure and they can be with their family more as they build out whatever else they want to build out. But that essentially teaches them how to build a course as well as how to automate it. So you can essentially automate this course. You can essentially upsell other items as well as other products, books, CDs, all this other kinds of stuff, so you can maximize even past the $20,000 points. So for example, if you sold a course for $2,000, then you only need 20 clients a month and you'll hit your $20,000 mark. Of course, you'll have to continually get those 20 clients every month, but you can, as you build that out, you can offer like a recurring service that may be even cheaper, or just stick with the higher cost services and even go up in price and provide a more one-on-one, provide more like with a group, provide more in person, and grow that out as well, depending on how much time and effort you really want to put it in. But we're talking about recurring revenue in this video. So again, you can easily make a course that you can get 20 people in every single month. In about, like I said, 90 days, you got to build up that initial push. And you don't have to complete the course. You just have to have the vision of who you're going to be serving the course for and start making content on your social media around that, and push out as much content every day around that topic so people will start relating you to that topic, and it'll be easy to sell when you start saying, hey, I now have this a product for sale, and you're going to want to do that on day one. So the first day, you're going to be wanting to record 20 videos around this topic. Even if you don't know much about it, you can exactly pinpoint who's it for. You can pinpoint what's it going to solve, and you're going to start drafting out your course around that. And if you get interested, then you can continually build it out. If you don't, then you know you can tweak it and start building out the course from there. Don't waste your time in building out the course. That's going to be a whole waste of time. And if your course doesn't sell one, then you just wasted 3 months of your time. So you're going to want to start selling it before you initially get your first clients. An easy way to do this, I put a link below, is go ahead and open up a stand site. You can easily make web pages from your actual phone that you can collect payments right on day one. It's the easiest funnel software or selling software I have ever seen, even better than ClickFunnels, because you can make it in seconds from your phone. Technically it's not seconds, it's like maybe like 15 minutes it could take. I would say it's 15 minutes to an hour, depending on how your skills are, already like building out stuff, already know, like have a draft on what you already know you're going to put into it. So definitely check that out. I'll put the link below. And I hope this video helped you on getting you to your first $20,000 days, or excuse me, months, right? Not days yet. We'll make that another video. All right, so days would be for your next level. All right, so look out for that video. All right, guys, take care and have a good day.